Hello kids, pet and domestic animals. Cow, goat, cat. This is a pet. Horse, sheep, rabbit. This is a pet. Donkey, camel, buffalo, dog. This is a pet. And ox. Ox. Thank you.